Hello, Secure Base Counseling Center. My name is John Harrison, and I am the owner of YourTime Psychiatry and Medical Cannabis. I'm also a psychiatric nurse practitioner. First, I just want to say how much of an honor it truly is to join your team. I did my clinical rotations with Jennifer many years ago, and I remember how wonderful each of the providers were at Secure Base Counseling Center. So it is truly an honor to have the opportunity to join your team and to help your patients. We provide full psychiatry services, including prescribing all traditional psychiatric medications for children, teens, and adults with any mental health condition, including anxiety, depression, PTSD, OCD, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, borderline personality disorder, ADHD, substance use disorders, and anything else. We also provide Suboxone for patients suffering from opioid use disorder. One of our core missions at our clinic is to normalize medical cannabis as a legitimate option in psychiatric care. That said, medical cannabis is only one tool in our toolbox. We do not certify every patient, and medical cannabis is an option we only offer as an option. Every patient undergoes a full diagnostic assessment to ensure medical necessity. For example, we do not certify a patient with active psychosis or mania. And patients with medical conditions like heart failure, we require documentation from their physician or cardiologist before we certify them. I personally have been sober from drugs and alcohol for over 8 years. And I also suffer from numerous other mental health conditions. So our clinic has a special place in our hearts. Each of our providers feels a special place in their heart to care for patients struggling with any mental health condition at our clinic. Our clinic also provides a YourTime recovery program to support those who have SUD. So you can feel free to check that out, check out the details on our website. We are truly honored to join your team. We do not see ourselves as a separate entity. Our goal is to work alongside of you, collaborate care through ROIs, and to ensure coordinated, integrated care for every patient. We truly try to treat every patient as they are a family member. We provide medical cannabis certifications for free for patients with accepted insurance. Deductibles and copays do apply, so that is something to keep in mind for some patients, but we do certify them for free because we believe that it should be for free, just like the other medications that are covered by insurance. Over the past 5 years in the United States, 96,000 people per year have died from prescription drug or illicit drug overdoses. That's roughly 11 deaths per hour. In contrast, in the entire history of modern medicine, there have been 0 documented deaths from cannabis overdose or withdrawal. And I'm not talking about when they're driving using cannabis. Obviously, we educate them about never to drive with it or mix it with other medications. But medical cannabis, specifically high CBD products, can reduce anxiety in under 2 minutes. Comparing that to Prozac or Zoloft, which takes 4 to 8 weeks to experience the full effect, if they experience effect at all. It's actually a 50-50 chance that they'll even experience an effect from those type of medications. So if you were having severe panic attacks or anxiety, which would you choose? I have personally certified over 500 patients, and I can count only on one hand the number of patients who have had issues with medical cannabis. For many patients, children's, teens, adults, medical cannabis has been truly life-saving. Again, however, medical cannabis is only one of the services we offer. We offer all traditional psychiatric medications for any mental health condition. Our first in-person availability will be at the New Prague location on February 6th. Patients can sign up on our website. It's yourtimepsych.com. Otherwise, you can simply just Google YourTime Psychiatry, and if you just Google us, we pop up pretty quickly. to find our website. If they prefer to sign up on a different day, they can also sign up for telehealth appointments, which are typically available Monday through Friday on our website by clicking new patient schedule appointment right on the front page of our website. Due to the new law in 2026, though, however, all patients with straight Medicare, not including Medicare Advantage plans, will need to be seen at the new Prague office for one in-person appointment before we can continue telehealth follow-ups if that's what the patient prefers. Patients can also call our office Monday through Friday to schedule appointments. Our office phone number is 612-867-1382, and I will also list that in this email. Also, if any of you as therapists have any questions regarding our services or want to make sure that we are a good fit for your patient, please feel, and I recommend, give us a call. We would love to connect with you and to meet you. Once again, it is truly an honor to have the opportunity for us to join your team and to help your patients. We look forward to walk with you and them during their journey.